guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Indira. I recently moved from London to Kuwait. Today I'm actually flying to Kyrgyzstan for a week. I'll be traveling a lot. The journey is absolutely stunning. I did it last year. Actually, my grandparents' house. Up until last year, I hadn't been there for over 20 years. So this was a very emotional trip. I'm kind of looking forward to doing it again, just because we'll be traveling through the mountains. They're just beautiful. I loved the nature. It was so peaceful, so calm. Coming back to the main city, and the next day, I'll be going to the lake. I haven't been to that lake for over 20 years because I hadn't been living in my country for over 20 years. So this would be a very interesting and probably emotional trip. My country is like really beautiful. It has mountains and rivers and lakes, beautiful nature. So I am really looking forward to just exploring that. In the meantime, let's pack. I'm gonna be packing now for my hand luggage. It's just, it's convenient. You can just dump everything in there. It sits quite nicely on the suitcase. And what I have, these are the local money. 500, this is 200, I've got 100. I don't remember the currency exchange at the moment, but I think $1 is 80 or 90 of the local money. It's not very strong. That should be enough to take a taxi from the airport. My laptop, my Kindle, my sunnies. I also need this. Everything looks quite neat and organized, which just makes me so happy. Oh, I think I'm travel ready. I have another maybe an hour. I'm just gonna organize the house, make sure nothing is outstanding, because it's nice to come back to a clean house. Maybe I'll have something to eat now. I'll see you guys soon. So I'm now on the way to the airport. It's 5 p.m. on the dot and my flight is at 8 o'clock.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. For your safety and the safety of others, please remain seated with your seatbelt fastened until the aircraft has come to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign has been switched off.
I have finally arrived and I am currently just waiting for a taxi to go run some errands. It's quite hot, it's about 35 degrees, nice breeze. We're not too far from the mountains. city called Talas, which is in Kyrgyzstan. We're about 2,000-3,000 meters above the sea level. You can actually see the snow behind me. There is no one around us. There is one man on the horse. They're just hanging. But the air is so clean. It's so peaceful. I've literally just noticed the sign. We are 3,000 meters up. It's quite chilly, even though it's summer. Obviously, we're up in the mountains. So 3,326 meters. Oh, I can see a herd of sheep. I can ask these people over here if they have toilet facilities. Let's see. Come with me. And this is called Yurta. There's a small river behind me. It's really nice. And we're going to the toilet. This little guy here. I've been on the road for about 7 hours in total, and we still haven't gotten back to my city. I have another maybe 2 or 3 hours to go, and I am absolutely knackered, shattered. I'm so tired. But being in nature, in the mountains, not a soul. I just hope you can see the magnitude of this beauty, nature.